Welcome students, and now we will be discussing about Mansi Pradhan, a social activist. Her tale is also very interesting and it's motivating for all of us. It's inspirational for all the youth of this nation. They also can undertake such missions in their lives. Okay. Mansi Pradhan, a social activist who strove hard for educating the girl child and allowing her to live with dignity in the society. Mansi Pradhan will be discussing about this social activist, Mansi Pradhan. So she was born in a remote village called Ayatpur in Banapur block of Korta district, Odisha. She is from Odisha, where education was regarded as a taboo for women. Even though there was a lot of resistance from her parents to allow her to pursue her education, Mansi commuted nearly 15 kilometers across muddy and hilly terrain to reach school. She is from such an area. She is from Odisha basically. But in villages, like so many places of India, even today in the 21st century, we see that boys are given more importance comparatively to the girls. And it's not about just one particular thing, it's about nearly all the things. Okay, the boys are given weightage, the boys are given importance, and it is thought that the boys continue the legacy of the family, and the girls should be confined to the four walls of their house. So this is not justifiable. This cannot be justified today. We are living in a democratic nation. We have our constitution. Equal rights are given by the law. But the fact is somewhat different. To a larger extent, we find, and this is particularly in the villages, right? Comparative to if you compare the social conditions in village like to the city or the urban areas. Okay. So this is found in some of the areas of the nation even today in 21st century. It is not anyway good. It is very bad thing. We should not discriminate between girls and boys. Okay, we must treat them equally. It is the 21st century. So Mansi Pradhan was born in a village, and at that time women education or girls education was a kind of taboo, social taboo. Just think about this. And that's why her own parents were not willing to send this brilliant kid Mansi Pradhan to school. She faced this opposition from her own parents. She was not living in conducive atmosphere so far as her education was concerned. Even though she was facing this opposition from the family members, she did not lose her hope. She faced all the problems in her life, and she had to commute, she had to walk on her foot nearly 17 kilometers to reach her school and come back from school to her home. She faced such a difficult situation. Just think, today we have so many facilities to come to school, okay, but her situation was different. She was not very fortunate like we people to have buses and trains and all these transport facilities and other facilities also to reach her school. So she had to go to school on foot and come back from the school to home on foot only. Right. So after a lot of efforts, she completed her primary education, then 10th, 12th, etc. Then she graduated also in economics from Government Women's College and later finished her master's in Odia literature. So she studied economics also, literature also, local culture also, etc. Okay, it was the part of her academic life. Later on, what happened? She formed an NGO because she herself had gone through all these ups and downs, right? All these odds of life, and that's why she understood one thing very well, that until and unless girls are educated, we cannot create a society based on equality If this does not happen, the principle of equality, which is enshrined in the Constitution of India, would remain on the papers only. It must saturate in the society. It must be translated into reality, and it is possible when we, the people, male or female, man or woman, men or women, directly have contribution to this particular cause. We at our level should not discriminate between the girl or a boy. Both the things, okay, whether boys or the girls should be treated equally. So she fought for this particular cause in her life, and she founded an NGO, OYSS, with the primary and initiative motive to encourage and provide higher education. Today, OYSS, apart from higher education, boasts of organizing leadership workshops, vocational training, awareness and women rights issues, self-defense, etc. So, through this NGO, which she herself formed or founded or established, she is working this kind of social service, training the people, promoting women education, fighting for the cause of girls' rights, okay, etc. All these things, and she is doing in a very efficient manner, in very efficient way, and she is also being helped by so many volunteers. Okay, male, female volunteers are working with her for this lofty cause. In 2009, she started nationwide movement Honor for Women to fight the menace of violence against women and putting a ban on liquor. So it's a long-awaited demand by most of the women of this nation. In some of the states and districts and in different areas, we find that liquor ban is there. Definitely, in Maharashtra also we see liquor ban is there in Varda. To some other districts also. So she is fighting continuously, tirelessly for this particular cause. Women education, girls education, liquor ban, social equality, honor for women from the society itself. Okay, and she launched the nationwide movement for this in the year 2019. Again, she is the founder of Honor for Women National Campaign in 2014. She was conferred with seeing her contribution to the society for this particular lofty cause. Okay, for this good cause, for her contribution to the society, she was conferred. She was honored with Rani Lakshmibai Sri Shakti Puraskar at the hands of the then President of India, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee. Okay. In 2016, the New York-based Bustle magazine named her among 20 most inspiring feminist authors and activists. She has been recognized worldwide, and a very famous magazine, Bustle, included her in the most inspiring 20 feminist authors of the world and activists of the world. In 2017, the Los Angeles, America based Waker Media Inc. named her among 12 most powerful feminist change makers. Okay. In 2018, the Oxford Union of the University of Oxford invited her. The Oxford University invited her to address the union. She is the founder of Nirbhaya Bahini Nirbhaya Samaroh. The life story of Mansi Pradhan has been depicted in several documentaries in the United States and Israel. So this way she is a motivational activist. She is such an inspiration for the entire world today that so many people have got motivated because of her, and they are also working in this field. So this was about Mansi Pradhan, and we stop here. Thank you.